The secret niche we'll cover in this video is exploiting the TikTok algorithm to go viral and make over $8,000 per month with the TikTok creativity program. And no, it's not making podcast clips. So in this video I'll show you how to create videos like this, and I will show you how to join the TikTok creativity program from any country in the world so you can reap all the benefits from this niche. But make sure to take action quickly because it will get saturated pretty fast. So let's get started. Step 1. How to join the TikTok creativity program from any country. Literally, I'm gonna cover this really quickly. As you can see, I have the CBB even though I live in Greece. So first of all, I want you to either go to eBay and search for a US SIM card, and specifically I found that Verizon works the best. Or you can just remove your SIM card and install a VPN. But many people have experienced shadow bans and their account not growing at all after installing a VPN, so I have an alternative for you, which seems to be working much better for a lot of people. Go to ustiktokaccount.com using my link in the description, and there you can get your own TikTok account made in the US and with the TikTok creativity program already available. You just grab your US account, you grab your US SIM card, put it on your phone, and you're good to go. This is not sponsored, just an affiliate which I handpicked. And the best part is that you can use my code to get 20% off and also support my channel. And of course you should set your phone language to English and the location of your phone to US, and make sure you restart your phone in the process. And now let me show you the secret niche I found. Step number 2, the secret page. So the secret niche is actually, drumroll, Homer Thoughts. You can calm down now, I know. This page is brand new and has like 13 videos and has been posting for 10 days. But with some quick maths I found out that this page has about 7.5 million views in 10 days, and that's about $7,500. And even if it has a lower CPM, it will be around $5,000 at worst. Now this niche is basically shower thoughts, but made in a different way. There's some newer pages jumping on this trend, and with some very high accuracy calculations, which I did right now, it's gonna get saturated very fast. So let me show you how you can make this type of videos step by step, and you can put your own twist into it. Okay, so here we are on my PC. I'm gonna do everything from here, but you can do it on your PC, phone, laptop, your Apple Vision Pro, it doesn't really matter. And of course we're gonna use CapCut. I usually use Premiere Pro, but for this one we're gonna do everything for free. So let's start with the first simple step, which is finding our shower thoughts. First of all, we go to Reddit and we'll go to shower thoughts. Don't mind the tabs, it's for my editing clients. That wasn't subtle flex, I swear. And you can either sort by top or hot or top of this week, which is my favorite, and you're gonna just pick your favorite ones. Usually the ones with the most upvotes tend to perform better, which is because they already performed good on this platform, Reddit. They will probably perform better on TikTok as well, or any other platform. Or another way is basically going to TikTok and searching for shower thoughts and taking videos from other creators basically who are doing shower thoughts. We're told anything on the internet is there forever, but we need to find the one. Okay, we're not gonna do this one. The second thing we need is our character. And for this video, I'm gonna go with Patrick from SpongeBob. So just go to Google, search for Patrick PNG, and go to images and grab the one you like the most. If you want to take this one step further, you can go to Fiverr and search for people who animate. Tell them to animate Patrick talking, basically. So we drop our Patrick to CapCut. We're gonna make the ratio here 9:16, and then we're gonna go to YouTube basically, and we'll find a Minecraft clip. You can use any other game like GTA clips, satisfying clips, maybe even if you don't want to use a game, maybe even Cluster Truck, which is an older game. For the sake of this example, I'm gonna do Minecraft, but you can choose whatever you want to make your page more branded, to stand out basically, like we did with Patrick. But you choose the things you want to brand more. The thing we don't want to change is the shower thoughts. We're gonna use proven work there, and for the rest we're gonna innovate. So let me go download the Minecraft clip and I'm gonna be back. And to download it we're gonna use YouTube Mate, or you can use snapsafe.io, and this one is even 4K, so I'm gonna download the 4K version of course. So we're gonna start the clip here. Okay, this is basically our clip, and what I want to also do, lower the opacity, which makes the clip a bit darker, and it will make Patrick stand out, and will make our subtitles stand out, and we'll add some extra effects after. You can see it's like this, and this one is a new one. much better. Now we have the shower thoughts, we have Patrick, we have the background, and what we need is our AI voice, Patrick's voice. So we'll go to the best website, the best tool I know for AI voices, and I use that all the time, and I've used it for many pages and many videos I've used and many advertisements I've done for other clients. It's ElevenLabs, and you can find the link in the description below. You can use that in order to support me as well. Let me show you how you can do this. So once you are on ElevenLabs, I want you to go to Voices, Voice Lab specifically, and then I want you to add the generative cloned voice and instant voice cloning. You will have to clone the voice. The thing you will have to do is actually find many clips of the character you want to clone. I found this, but the problem is that there are other characters talking, like Squidward. So I went to Premiere Pro and cut a few clips, like a minute and a half, and then I just dragged the file here, then I just confirmed and created the voice. And we're gonna use this voice for the first shower thought, which is this one, and I just generated it already, and take a look or take a hearing, I don't know.
Sweatpants were made for physical activity, but wearing them in public makes you seem lazy.
Wow, what? Usually lower the stability to 30%, maybe sometimes even lower. There's more expression and color in the voice. If you have it very high or somewhere in the middle, it's gonna be more, it will sound more like a robot. And you can play around with these settings as well if you want, but these seem to be working pretty fine for me. So we just grab the second one. From my experience, doing it just one by one seems to be much better. And then we just drag and drop every single one on our project of the recordings. So basically I'm still thinking about changing this one. Don't really like it. This looks great. This looks pretty good to me. And then we just go to text, auto captions, I don't know why this is in Arabic, create, and to find the music you just go to other shower thoughts or other videos and search for the audio they're using. Or here for this one you can actually use SpongeBob theme song, or maybe just some Minecraft music, or also you can use Nintendo music, which is copyright free. Any track you want, just write Nintendo stream music and just download any track you like. Or you can use TikTok audio like Paris, you can see it on screen right now, it's one of my recommendations, or Blade Runner, which is another audio that's very popular for the shower thoughts. So after tweaking a little bit and adding a watermark, this is the final result, and I'm sure you can do an even better job. Just make sure you jump on this because you might lose the train. And I just customized the LUTs. Maybe I overdid the saturation, but you know, you can never do too much saturation. Look at this difference.
Sweatpants were made for physical activity, but wearing them in public makes you seem lazy. Shower thoughts! You don't see a lot of obese 80-year-olds. You don't really hear of extreme couponing anymore. When a video is paused, it's a picture. When audio is paused, it's nothing.
Now that you've watched this video, make sure to watch this video next, which is a full guide on how to grow on TikTok in 2024. See you over there.
So please, I want to reach 1 million